Having trouble with your Haulotte machine? Our technical advisors are available with extended service hours to provide you personalized support. Haulotte call centers ensure efficient online troubleshooting worldwide. An Haulotte expert assists you in your own language and helps you to identify the problem. Its equipment in-depth knowledge combined with Haulotte online tools ensure an accurate diagnostic. We order the right genuine parts and set an intervention date on your premises. On the agreed date, a mobile technician arrives at your location to repair your equipment according to Haulotte standards. He further analyzes the cause of failure and gets your machine back in operation within optimal timeframes. Intervention includes broad scope audit of the equipment. Rely on Haulotte technical support to repair your machines.